you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Roblox, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other websites or applications to see if they are working properly. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're playing Roblox in a web browser, clearing your browser's cache can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. After clearing, restart your browser and try loading Roblox again. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. If you're using the Roblox app, check for updates in the App Store. If you're playing in a browser, simply refresh the page after ensuring your browser is up to date. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with Roblox. Disable any unnecessary extensions and try loading the game again. You can do this by going to your browser's extension settings and toggling them off. Step 5. Restart your device. If all else fails, restarting your device can resolve many issues. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system. After restarting, try launching Roblox again to see if the loading issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the stuck loading screen issue in Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience.